Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add brightness of a image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add brightness of a image. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Pictures option and insert a picture. Then click the picture and go to the Picture Format menu and go to the Format Picture option. Then go to the Picture section and we can see here the brightness option. Now we add brightness to this picture. Click OK. Now we can see we added brightness of this image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.